Hey, this is Brett with Overland Expedition Specialists. I had a question about whether or not I'd ever made a billow strap upgrade for the Tepui tents and pretty much all the similar ones. Uh, I had upgraded the hold down strap from Velcro to the snap buckles with the corridor webbing, and so I went ahead and did the same on mine because coincidentally, after he had asked that on YouTube, I had one of my billow straps flap off or disconnect while I was driving from Moab, and it nearly got wrapped up in my wheel well. So what we have done here is we've got the mil spec corridor webbing, Gutermann thread made for outdoors. We got ITW Nexus snap buckles, ITW Nexus ladder lock buckles, and these are made in the USA. So instead of having the Velcro that eventually wears out and flaps off, we've got snaps. And to tension, all you got to do is slide the ladder lock and it'll cinch. You can't loosen it until if you unsnap the buckle, which showed you how much force was behind there, then the ladder lock will slide freely. So this will be available at the website www.overlandexpeditionspecialist.com. Thanks.